Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a travel itinerary confirmation letter. What is a travel itinerary confirmation letter? A travel itinerary confirmation letter is a document issued by a travel agency, or an individual, providing details about a planned trip or journey. This letter is often used to confirm the specifics of travel arrangements, and may be required for various purposes, such as visa applications, business travel approvals, or documentation for reimbursement. The travel itinerary confirmation typically includes key details about the trip, such as the traveler's name, dates of travel, flight details if applicable, accommodation information, and a general schedule of planned activities. It serves as a formal confirmation of the travel plans, and may include reference numbers, or booking codes for easy verification. This document helps to ensure that the traveler has a clear record of their itinerary, and facilitates any necessary administrative processes related to the trip. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a travel itinerary confirmation letter step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your personal information as a sender of the letter. Yes, you can start with your full name. And then, write your home address. Or, you can also write your organization name, if it is on behalf your organization. Sure, you can add contact information like phone number and email address. After that, you can write the date of the letter. You may use the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. It's supposed to be the travel agency that you use. In this example is Wanderlust Travel Agency. Under it, write the address of the organization or company or agency. When you do it, don't forget to mention the number, street name, city-state, and zip code. And now, you may open the letter with a salutation. Simply write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. If you have no idea about the name, you may simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or to whom it may concern. In the first paragraph, this is where you write the subject or the goal of the letter. Clearly state the subject of the letter, which is the confirmation of the travel itinerary. And here is the example. I am writing to confirm the details of my upcoming travel itinerary. And then, you need to do an introduction. Clearly express the purpose of the letter, which is to confirm the details of the booked travel itinerary. Here is the example. I recently booked a flight through your agency, and I would like to ensure that all the details are accurate. In the second paragraph, this is where you write all the itinerary details. List relevant details such as the booking reference number, passenger name, departure and arrival dates and times, and flight details as well. You may write, "Here are the relevant details." And here is the example of the details. Booking reference number, WLTA 123 to 456. Passenger name, Sarah L. Davis. Departure date and time, January 29, 2024, 10 a.m. Arrival date and time, January 31, 2024, 3 p.m. Flight details. Flight ABC 123, economy class. In the third paragraph, you can write your confirmation request. Yes, you need to request confirmation from the travel agency that the provided information is accurate. You may write something like, "I appreciate your prompt attention to this matter." Besides that, you need to invite the agency to inform you promptly if there are any discrepancies. You may write, "Please confirm that the information above is accurate. And if there are any discrepancies, kindly inform me as soon as possible." In the fourth paragraph, you can start to write all about additional services inquiry. Express interest in any additional services or amenities available. They are such as seat upgrades or airport transfers. Here is the example how you write it. Additionally, I would like to inquire about any additional services or amenities that may be available, such as seat upgrades or airport transfers. In the last paragraph, show your appreciation and write conclusion. Sure, it is necessary that you thank the agency for their prompt attention. Express appreciation for their assistance in ensuring a smooth travel experience. Here is the example. Thank you for your assistance in ensuring a smooth travel experience. And conclude the letter with an expectation of confirmation and a pleasant journey. You may write, I look forward to your confirmation and a pleasant journey. And finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name under it. You can also write your contact information like phone number and email address. So, that's how you write a travel itinerary confirmation letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.